Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set AM and PM on status bar on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Then tap on open. Now just select agree and continue. From here, just tap on quick start. Then tap on the download icon and tap on the play icon over here. Now just enable this toggle to enable quick start, then go to clock settings. From here just enable show AM and PM, just like that. And this is how you can enable AM and PM on status bar on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.